Cardinal Health Presource is more than a kitting service. It's a data-driven procedural pack solution that helps improve efficiencies, reduce waste, build resiliency, and optimize clinical and economic outcomes. Presource custom and standard procedure packs can help maximize your resources to find more time for what's most important, delivering high-quality care to your patients. Our mission to support your clinical and operational goals begins here at our manufacturing facilities in El Paso, Texas, and Juarez, Mexico. We currently produce thousands of packs per day that meet a wide range of procedural needs. Our packs can be found in operating rooms, cardiology and interventional radiology labs, GI labs, emergency rooms, labor and delivery floors, nursing floors, and more. Our team continually refines its procedures and drives innovation so you receive high-quality products. Our facilities align with FDA guidance, and we perform routine inspections and audits to ensure adherence to FDA and ISO standards. Our facility is also Clean Industry certified, meaning that we recycle up to 97% of unused material. And because safety is of the utmost importance, we follow standards that have earned us performance recognition by OSHA and Empresa Segura STPS, which is the Mexican equivalent to OSHA standards in the US. As you grow, we grow with you. When your pack volume increases, we can flex our schedule to meet your demand with advanced production methods that optimize our capacity. Our personnel are highly experienced and committed to continual development. Our teams meet daily to review assembly practices, special requirements, pack images, and more. We conduct annual trainings on corrective and preventive measures, and our seasoned supervisory leaders are highly qualified to train and mentor new team members. To help us better understand user experience, we've invested in building a mock OR room in our facility. Here, clinicians provide new hire training on surgical processes, products, and patient safety. Getting started with Presource is simple. First, our cross-functional team partners with you to design packs customized to your specific needs. Then, our design lab builds a sample pack for your approval. We record everything about the sample, including a video of the pack as it is assembled, so we can reproduce it to your specifications every time. After your samples are finalized and approved, we begin production by receiving the pack components into our facility. We work with over 20,000 suppliers across our large, geographically diverse network to obtain the components you need. All suppliers undergo a rigorous qualification process to ensure quality of product. We also aim to maintain 60 days of core products inventory to meet a 98% raw fill rate. This safety stock helps us protect against unforeseen disruptions, giving us additional time to address problems as they arise. Using radio frequency identification equipment, we scan every product case to determine the origin, individual lot number, and expiration date. This helps verify that the products in your packs are accurate and current before being moved to our component picking location. In our picking area, maintaining a safe, clean environment is always top of mind. Personnel wear full headgear and gowns to reduce the likelihood of debris transfer to components. Once components are picked, we have full traceability to expiration date, lot number, and picker name, which creates staff accountability and alignment to optimal manufacturing processes. Components are then moved to the pack assembly area, which has controlled access and a strict dress code. Before entering, staff pass through separate bouffant and gowning rooms with deionization equipment and a vacuum system. These measures help to reduce particulate they may bring into the room. All production staff must wear a full coverage anti-static gown with sleeves that cover the wrists. Hairnets, headbands, head covers, and beard or facial covers are also standard protocol. In accordance with the Association of Perioperative Registered Nurses, personnel also use hand sanitizer before entry and may not wear any jewelry or makeup. The pack assembly room has strict environmental controls and cleaning procedures to support sterilization efficacy. It has no direct access to the outdoors and utilizes micron particulate air filtration and positive air pressure. Flat surfaces, including the work tables, floors, and walls, are made of non-porous materials that can be easily cleaned. We also execute air and surface monitoring to detect viable microorganisms. Together, all of these measures help minimize contamination and particulate in the assembly area to keep your packs pristine. With Presource kits, you can get the most out of your staff's time and your budget through both standard and custom packs. Standard non-sterile procedural packs are suited for uses like OR cleanup, anesthesia setup, and procedures in the GI lab. These kits drive efficiency by standardizing products, reducing pick time, streamlining stocking locations, and minimizing inventory costs. With a combination of specialty machines and manual assembly, we can also fulfill large orders of standard minor procedure trays. For example, we can produce up to 250,000 IV start kits per day. For complex procedures that require numerous products to be pulled for each case, you can rely on our procedure-based delivery systems, or PBDS. Our PBDS solution consolidates single-use supplies and custom procedure trays used for pre, intra, and post-operative care into one module. In addition to standard non-sterile kits, minor procedure trays, and PBDS modules, the largest portion of our manufacturing is focused on producing custom procedure trays that support a variety of surgical needs. For a new custom pack or a change to an existing custom pack, a prototype is built and imaged so personnel can build it to your exact specifications every time. The key to our quality and accuracy is our continuous investment in production innovation. Visual monitors help verify that each component is placed in the pack exactly as it was in the prototype. Electronic device history records document every aspect of the manufacturing process, and smart scales quickly weigh every pack to monitor component counts before the pack leaves the production area. Our team also conducts thorough audits that include pulling a finished pack off of the production line and opening it up to review the configuration and components. This results in a 99.98% complaint-free rate, helping to drive better outcomes for you and your patients. After packs are fully assembled, they are wrapped, weighed for accuracy, sealed with a final inspection seal, packed, and shipped for sterilization. Our team routes over 30,000 finished cases of product per day to industry-leading sterilization sites in the U.S. Multiple sterilization chambers in locations like New Mexico, North Carolina, California, Texas, and Georgia provide us with the flexibility and capacity to support your demand. We also ensure our contract sterilizer companies comply with EPA and OSHA laws. After packs are sterilized, they're returned to our cross-dock for further customization if required, or staged in our outbound transportation area to be shipped to your local distribution center. We ship to over 140 distribution centers and customer warehouses, targeting those closest to you so that your products arrive as quickly as possible. We take our responsibility to maintain your service seriously, and therefore have resiliency plans in place in case of natural disasters or unforeseen events. In the event of U.S.-Mexico border disruptions, we are able to reroute supplies as needed to other U.S. entry points. As the pioneer of procedural packs with a 40-plus year legacy, Cardinal Health Presource has helped reduce costs, drive efficiencies, and empower clinicians with more time to focus on patient care. And since our Presource Manufacturing Center is equipped with advanced technology and rigorous quality processes, we can continue to innovate and grow as your needs evolve, now and into the future.